Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage to a decimal worksheet. So this video gives us a worksheet where we can practice changing a percentage to a decimal. Now, if you're not sure what to do, we've had a lesson on this, and this is basically what the lesson says. That when you are converting a percentage to a decimal, the rule is very, very simple. Focus on where the decimal point is in the percentage and move it 2 places to the left. That's basically all you do. You move it 2 places to the left. So, for example, we know that that's a whole number, 27. We know where the decimal point is because we've spoken about it. You move it 2 places to the left. The 9, we know where the decimal point is. When you move the decimal point 2 places to the left in this particular example, it's important to insert a 0. That's the only hint I'll give you. We have to insert a 0 because we have a single digit. And that's the same for those 3 examples. Over here, again, moving the decimal point 2 places to the left, you can see the decimal point here is very clear. If you move it 1, you finish there, but you have to move it another place. So you have to insert a particular 0. It's the same here. You have to insert a 0. Now for this one, it's very straightforward. Luckily, we already have the 0 here because for neatness, I've always said that you put a 0 at the front. But remembering, inserting the decimal point, moving it 2 places to the left, insert another 0. That one, that one, that one, and that one are very straightforward. And so is this one. Again, 2 places to the left, and so is that one. So it's probably one of the simplest rules we have to follow. So when we are changing a percentage to a decimal, you just move the decimal point 2 places to the left, and then the answer changes to a decimal. So that's what this video has done. It's just given us a worksheet to practice making those conversions. And if you want to see the lesson on this particular topic, there is a link on the next slide. Once you click on the link, that'll take you to the lesson, and it will explain how to do all of these examples.